Chapter 05 Kural 09. Welcome back to our enlightening journey through Thirukkural, the ancient Tamil literary masterpiece. In this episode, we delve into Chapter 5, exploring the profound wisdom encapsulated in Kural 9. True virtue is to lead a harmonious family life. It is even better if it is beyond others' blame. Greetings to all our viewers. Today, we continue our exploration of Chapter 5 of Thirukkural, where Thirukkural reveals the essence of leading a harmonious and virtuous family life. Join us as we unravel the profound teachings of Thirukkural and understand the significance of nurturing a family life that goes beyond reproach. Chapter 5 of Thirukkural highlights the significance of true virtue in our family life. Thirukkural reminds us that leading a harmonious family life is an essential aspect of righteousness, and it becomes even more valuable when it is free from blame or criticism. Let us delve into the profound teachings of this Kural and explore the significance of cultivating a harmonious and blameless family life as envisioned by Thirukkural. Thirukkural's wisdom teaches us that true virtue lies in leading a family life characterized by harmony, love, and mutual respect. When we prioritize creating an environment of unity and understanding within our families, we experience personal fulfillment and set an example for others to emulate. Thirukkural's teachings guide us toward a family life where our actions align with true virtue. When prioritizing open communication, empathy, and cooperation, we foster an atmosphere where every family member feels valued, understood, and supported. Thirukkural Chapter 5, Kural 9, reminds us that true virtue is not just about outward appearances but also about the inner workings of our family life. Cultivating a family life free from blame or criticism creates a nurturing space where love, trust, and respect flourish. Thirukkural's wisdom encourages us to evaluate our family dynamics and strive for a harmonious and blameless family life. By nurturing positive relationships, resolving conflicts with grace, and upholding virtuous principles, we create a haven of happiness and contentment that extends beyond our immediate family. As we reflect on Chapter 5, Kural 9, we are reminded of the profound significance of leading a harmonious and blameless family life. Thirukkural's teachings guide us to prioritize virtues within our families, creating an environment where love, understanding, and mutual respect thrive. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through Thirukkural. May the teachings of this ancient text inspire us to cultivate true virtue in our family life, leading us to a realm of lasting happiness and the admiration of others. Stay tuned for more captivating episodes as we unravel the timeless teachings of Thirukkural. Until next time, may your family life be a source of joy, harmony, and boundless virtue.